welcome again with a new video. Today I'm gonna show you S65 Pro 65 watt lights, and this is high quality. Remember, before we have S65 is a normal, so right now we change this to S65 Pro, and S65 Pro is high quality light. So well guys, one light is a 65 watt, two together 130 watt, and let me open for you and show you specification and quality. All bracket is removable from here and very easy to fix in the car, and you can see here finishing. So viewers, you can see here high quality compass. So well guys, you can see here full metallic bodies. So for hot reducing is a very powerful fan, and radiator systems, two type hot reducer system in this LED. High quality CSP light. So well guys, this is high quality light, 65 watt. Let me gonna show you in the tester how many watts. So guys, you can see here, this is 65 light, start from 70 and 7000 plus lumens. Oh wow, nice. Very high power light. Full bright, pure white. So guys, wow, look very bright. Let's try in the car and let's see how it look like. I hope you like this video because I drive with this LED lights and look very awesome, very perfect and very professional. So very easy to drive nighttime, even plus 140 and 60 as well. So guys, if you want to make order, visit their outlets, Dragomart branches, tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba as well. Stay with us. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.